Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to insert chart in MS Word document. So firstly of all, open a message, and after that click on insert, and here option chart, so click on chart. Now select chart as your requirement, like column, line, bar area and some other one. So if you want to insert line chart, so select line chart and click on OK. That is. Now anyway you can change the value of this chart, and also you can change the style of chart line. There is some different style of chart, so that is friend by this easy and simple method you can insert chart in MS Word. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.